We're here at Ozzi Kleen and we're here to observe the action of the floating decanter. So the floating decanter is connected to the chlorine chamber. At that point there, you can see the flexible hose that's there, which allows the unit to go up and down, and that PVC pipe there goes from the chlorine to the pump chamber. From the chlorine to the pump chamber. So, as you can see, that PVC pipe, that pipe there, connects to the decant head, and on the other side we have the weir, but you can see that the pipe is just above the water line, and that little click that just went off there was the solenoid valve opening, releasing the air. You can see how the water, how the head is slowly just dropping into the water, and that's because the air that's in that box comes up that hose there and escapes. And what happens next is the weight of the head allows the head to drop into the water, and from there the water can transfer from the main chamber into the pump chamber via the chlorine chamber, providing there's sufficient water. So the amount of water that goes through per cycle is very much dependent on the volume generated at the house during that 2-hour cycle. Obviously, if there's no water getting generated, if people are out and about, then there's no water to transfer. However, if there's been lots of showers or baths or laundry that has happened in that 2-hour period, there's a lot of water that will happen, a lot of water that will transfer over. So here we go, it's still dropping and it's dropping, and it's nearly transferring over. But as you can see, that is almost down in the water level. So fairly soon we should see a bit of water come through that PVC pipe into the basket, and that basket is there to capture any solids that might transfer over, anything that doesn't break down in the process, and then the float on the pump activates and goes out to the irrigation area.